how to open Xiaomi G20 Lite vacuum cleaner and enter your filters. So it's pretty easy. All you're gonna have to do is to just flip it like here to the bottom and open the dustbin. And here is the part which you can pull out. So grab it here and just rotate. You can place this away. And this is the part from the inside. You can actually clean that. You can also clean or replace this filter to keep maintained this vacuum cleaner. So these are the parts you want to clean, for example. And next you can also open this part, just rotating from the lock to unlock. And this is it. You can also clean that or replace that, but it's not that dusty. If you want to put back all the parts, just do it like you did it before. Open the dustbin, place here the orange part and place it here and close the dustbin, and you can use it very simply. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.